Good evening, viewers. I want to show you my upgrade design of my upgrade inverter. I think about 8 months ago, I made a short video on my upgrade inverter. But today I have an upgrade of that. Like you can see here, you can see my control panel, although it seems a little bit overcrowded. But anyway, it's serving the purpose I designed it for. Look up there are two DBs. The one on the left is for the AC, alternating current, to all the gadgets that are using AC, my refrigerator, washer, and all that. Then here, those that I have there are DC lights, DC fans, and televisions. Right here is divided into two sections. Right, divided into two. On my right is everything that has to do with the DC. While this side is AC. Outside we have solar panel array in 3 sections, or call it 3 channels if you like. But these channels have 5 300 watts solar panels. So this is the charge controller. It's about 7 p.m. now. I'm still having 25.4. Then I have another one, the second one. Another channel, we have 250 watts panel. I have 6 of that on this particular charge controller. The controller is rated 30 amps. Then right under, have 250 watts mono solar panels. This one takes care of my DC load. You can see the set of these batteries here. Each of them are 45 amps hour. 45 amps hour. Each have 12 of them all connected in parallel. So this charge controller takes care of that, of my load. If you look at there, you see some batteries there. Those are for the 24 volts configuration. I have 12, I have 24. So both of these battery bank or battery setup have inverters on that. Like this one now is the inverter for this 12 volts battery bank, and this one at the back there is Empower, is for the 24 volts battery bank. I did show you all these ones in my former video. So let's come back here. What do I have here? These are the miniature circuit breakers for each of these respective charge controllers. It's just for me to open it and carry out whatever maintenance I want to do on this place to isolate this without what's on the side. It's not designed for you to trip, but the rating is very high, 63 amps. Just for me to isolate 1 to 3, for me to do whatever I want to do. Then this is a changeover. This one enables me to add these 2 panels to this other setup. Maybe in an instant when the sunlight is very low, then I will just bring this one down. But by doing that, I've added 2 panels. All the many panels, 5, 6 plus 2. That is 14 panels or 15 panels. They will be added together to serve this inverter, especially if I'm using my bowl and it is no much body sun. That is for that. Then here, this one is for inverter 1, which is this inverter. It's here, inverter 1. Then it's up. It's the second inverter. It's 12 volts inverter. By design to use this one. Depends on the time of the day. You want to use that and use that. Then this one is just for inverter and then NEPA. You can see this small device here. This is an energy meter. I decided to put this one there so that I can know my daily consumption. I want to have a profile let me know what I'm using in a month. So from there I can conclude so many other variables which I want and they want to know. Then here, this one is very important. I noticed that if I'm charging my batteries, once these two inverters are on, there is a drag on my battery, on my generator. Generator changes sound like it is overloading it. So I decided to put these two breakers here, so that to enable me charge each of the battery turn by turn. If I put this one on, this is for this one will be charging. Once this one is charged, I switch it off and put this one on to charge the other 4 batteries. So that is what this one is doing here. Then here in this box are the set of what will I call it now? Primary protections. All the fuses here are calibrated, so that they will rupture at the designed magnitude. I have fuses here for the gas controller, for the panel, for the AC and DC protection. In fact, everything about the protection of this system is here. Primary protection. It's better you have a primary protection, because what this one does is that this one trips off, or it ruptures before the main protection in this system acts. So it helps you to save your protect your gadgets. That is for that. So this is what I've done for now. Thank you.